Welcome to the big show. Welcome to ArtScape, art and activism. The art of activism, proactive activism, the art of protest. See where I'm at? Y'all see where I'm at? I'm on Charles Street. Mike, check! Yeah, y'all got an event here on August the 3rd. On August the 3rd, I'm going to be here protesting. Y'all raising money for Ban the Box. And y'all ain't got no ex-felons in here talking about this. And I'm an ex-felon. You feel me? I'm a prisoner's right advocate. You feel me? I'm a prisoner's right advocate. And y'all sitting here selling bullshit. And I'm calling bullshit. I've been asking Marilyn Mosby to give me access to the grand jury for the last 4 years. All right? That's my constitutional right. Under Senate Bill 374, you're supposed to give me access to the grand jury. You've been shielding the corruption behind the war on drugs. You've been shielding the corruption in Scott Shellenberger's office. You knowingly let this shit go on. You and your husband. Remember the NAACP in 2014? When I was running for lieutenant governor against Governor Hogan? You, Brian Vaith, John Cardins, Brian Frosch, Bilal. We was all in the same room. Tessa. And I gave you information about this corruption that was going on. We put you in office to get Bernstein out, and you doing the same thing Bernstein was doing. That's Shorty. I'm an ex-felon, N62528. I went to jail to end the war on drugs. I went to jail to end the war on drugs. That's my case. This is Shorty. It's the good in the hood. Wherever I go, it's the good in the hood, and this is the people that support me. You feel me? So I'm going to leave this toilet here for you. It's art and evidence. You can auction it off to raise money. But this toilet is about you not answering your mail. Show you how long you've been shielding the corruption and racism in Baltimore City and Baltimore County. I'm famous for toilets. And ain't no law against putting toilets out there. You made me famous for toilets. And I'm going to shit on you in such a shorty way. Commissioner Harris, Chief Hyatt and you need to get together. Because I was kidnapped by the state. I was kidnapped by Baltimore County Police Department. And I'm a Baltimore City resident. You feel me? I was kidnapped because I was making a movie about the Democratic Party and the money that they get behind Stop and Frisk and Zero Tolerance. The Stop Snitching video. You go directly to the Department of Justice. I'm legal with this. I've been making this documentary for 13 years. 13 is my lucky number. If you're going to have a ceasefire, you got to admit you got a war on drugs. If you got a war on drugs, you got to admit it's a war on the black community. So having these fundraisers for Ban the Box and all that, man, let's talk about the real issues. I don't want to ban the box. I want to end the war on drugs. Time to piss or get off the pot. You feel me? Piss or get off the pot. I'm doing art and activism. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. And they're going to pay attention because I was insured when I did this. And I'm asking our government to investigate Marilyn Mosby's office for denying us due process and equal protections under the law. I'm asking the Department of Justice to investigate Baltimore City and Baltimore County States Attorney's offices for the abuses of powers of their offices. And my paperwork is right here. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. I have an insurance claim with Insurance Incorporated, against Insurance Incorporated. We're going to talk about the money behind the machine. That's my complaint, to testify in front of a federal Congressional Judiciary Committee. Feel me? I respectfully request to testify in front of the House Judiciary Committee. All right? About the war on drugs and mass incarceration. You feel me? Kiefer Mitchell got it. That's my insurance claim. Hogan got it. Rutherford got it. You're going to defend my rights because y'all made me famous for toilets. You claim to be a champion for justice. It ain't going to be just us. But this toilet is just for you. Be hard to raise your kids if you locked up. Can't be a mother to your kids if you locked up in federal jail. A federal investigation mean they're going to take you away from your family. You're going to get to see how it feels. Then you're going to get the value of a toilet. Dog, I got a right to protest. So I'm getting ready to shut this shit down. I'm going to call for a protest up here. We're going to put my work against y'all's work. Because everybody in Baltimore knows Shorty. It's the good in the hood, wherever I go. Mike, check! I shut shit down.